How to get 1 million followers on Facebook in just 2 minutes. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it is very simple and it is free. So what you can do is to get this amount of followers is you have to simply go to your Chrome browser and then search for the ye text. You have to search for the ye text.com and then search it. When you search it, then you can see this is the website, and here you have to type your text. It means type your the number of the followers that you want to show to your friends. So you can type the millions of followers that you want. So let's see, I type 1 million followers, something this 1 million followers up to. So here you can type more than followers, but please make sure that you type the in the lakhs followers in the lakhs, the numbers in the lakhs, so that it can look like you have and after that you have to scroll down, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to look for the bold sense, and here you can see the bold sense. So you have to copy it in the bold sense, and then here you can see it is copied. Now what you have to do is you have to go back to your Facebook account, and then what you can do is you can and then what you have to do is you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you can simply click on your profile of your Facebook. After clicking on your profile, you come to this page, and here you can see the three dots in the right side of add to a story button. Click on the three dots and then click on the edit profile first option. After that you have to simply scroll down, and then you can see the in the links tab there is add button. Click on the add links, and here you can see the add social link. So you have to click on the add social link, and then you have to click on the select a service, and you have to select the Spotify, and in the account name you have to select the followed. Let's see, I am showing that you have to you have to type it the followed by, and then you have to type you have to paste the text that you have copied from the that you have to show to your friends, and then you can simply type here followers, and now you can and after this you can simply click on anywhere, and then you can simply click on the save button in the top right corner. And after doing this, then what you can do is you have to simply go back to your account, and you have to refresh your page. And one more thing I forget to show you, that you have to go to your again three dots, click on the three dots, and then click on the edit profile. After that scroll down and then click on the add button, and here you have to select the privacy to the public. So please make sure that you choose the public so that anyone can see it. And after that click on the save button in the top right corner, and now it is saved. Now here you can see it looks simply now when you go to your profile, then here you can see it is showing that followed by this amount for followers, and it looks real. So that's it. So you can show to your friends, and you when your friends show it, then it they will simply they will ask you to how you can how you get so amount of followers. So that's it, that how you can get followers on Facebook. So that's basically it, that how you get the followers. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.